कोली, ए कोली कोली, चौका मारना चौका, क्या कर रहा है? ए कोली, चौका मार। कोली, ए कोली कोली, चौका मारना चौका, क्या कर रहा है? ए कोली, चौका मार। कोली, ए कोली कोली, चौका मारना चौका, क्या कर रहा है? ए कोली, चौका मार।
This is what quarantine does to you. You allow things like this to happen. And getting a haircut with kitchen scissors. Can you see this gradual fade? Nice. Yeah. और बढ़िया रही है देखो. Beautiful haircut. My wife is making a great work.
We're all doing our part. We're all doing our part. Those brooms also shed a little bit.
Actually, not bad. So since the house help are also practicing self-isolation, me and Izzy have decided to take turns to do the washing up. So I thought I'd do a little refresher tutorial for those of us who have forgotten a bit. So first I was deciding, should I lather each bowl, rinse it and put it in the rack? But then I decided there's a better way to do it. Just fill up the sink, put all the dishes inside, okay? And then turn off the water so you don't waste water also. Then lather all of them and then put them back here and then rinse them off. Got it.
इसका वर्कआउट गाइस, नीट नहीं आई है, गार्डन हो, घर हो, सफाई करो, इससे बेटर वर्कआउट नहीं हो सकता। और सेल्फ आइसोलेशन में करने लायक ऑक्यूपेशन भी मिल जाता है। ये हो गया आज का कार्डियो।
Hi everybody, since we have a lot of time on our hands, I thought I'll use it a little constructively and calmly. Of course, you got to stay safe and healthy. I thought I'll make some Malabari vegetable stew today, which we all love at home. I have this recipe that I borrowed from my mother, a bit of it from my mom, and a bit from a very dear friend of mine who's a wonderful cook, Monica, called the Cook and Curry. So yes, this is my yummy Malabari vegetable stew, which is great for the soul. Great for immunity, and I'm going to have it with some steamed white rice, and also I have some bread over here, chickpea gluten-free vegan bread, which my friend Ravina made for me, this bread. So yeah, I'm going to probably have it with that or with white rice. Yeah, so stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.
सब पेपर भी डालेगा, फ्रंट पेपर।
I've prepared, and I used to cook a lot actually when I was in university, and now trying my hand at it.
Okay.
What's up guys, happy quarantine. I thought I'm going to try my hand in making some butter garlic prawns. I know, not so healthy, but I'll work it out, man. I have all the time in the world. Okay, so I've got all my ingredients here, but it's a bit soupy. But I'm okay as long as it tastes good, and good thing is less than tasteless. But this is my first time, guys, so cut me some slack. And It smells really good. And I've always seen chefs do this on that, so how much of a look good.
हम अक्सर कहते हैं काश हमारे पास वक्त होता हमारे बच्चों के साथ बैठने का, हमारे माँ बाप के साथ बैठने का, और हम हमेशा सोचते हैं कि काश ये होता. आई विश आई हैड द टाइम एंड देयर वाज नथिंग एल्स फॉर अस टू डू. काश हमारे पास कुछ नहीं होता करने के लिए. अब हमारे पास ये वक्त है और वजह भी है. तो गाइज प्लीज़ डोंट गो आउट ऑफ योर हाउस टुमारो. जैसे आपने कहा, जैसे हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने कहा है, हमारे देश के लिए, अपने माँ बाप के लिए, अपने बच्चों के लिए, सबके लिए प्लीज़ घर के अंदर रहिए और जितना हो सके अपने हाथ साबुन से धोइए, हैंड सैनिटाइजर यूज़ कीजिए और दैट्स इट.
धन्यवाद.
Wow, what a work of art, Ruhi. Are you enjoying painting?
No.
Oh, then why are you painting? Yash, exactly what have you made?
Scooter.
That's a scooter? I'm not quite sure. That looks like a scooter, but okay, if you insist. Ruhi, any other? Oh my god. This is a lamp? Is this a lamp?
Yeah.
What colors are you using?
Pink.
That is not pink, darling. That is like a red. Okay, that was a perplexed expression that she gave me. You're wearing pink. That's a beautiful pink. This is red. And these colors are a mishmash of God knows what. Yash, any words to everyone staring at this video from you? Say something, Yash. Hello. Oh, an artist.
Don't talk to Mama, but talk to Dad.
Yash, are you sulking with Mama? Huh? Are you sulking with Mama? Why is he sulking with you?
Because I said not to touch my hair.
But why are you being so protective about your hair? And why are you looking like a 16-year-old with his hairband? Some kind of a crisis we're going through?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah? Ruhi,
Yeah.
you like Mama's hair?
No.
Well, my thoughts exactly. Toodles.
Good evening. Today I'm going to share something with you which reeks of nostalgia, which I had written on my own a couple of years back. आजकल वक्त बहुत है हमारे पास, तो अलमारियाँ खोलने का मौका बहुत मिलता है. So the title of this poem is, or a thought is, अलमारी की खुशबू. It goes like, बहुत दिनों बाद तुम्हारी अलमारी खोली, बहुत दिनों बाद तुम्हारी अलमारी खोली और मिला तुम्हारी खुशबू से. उस खुशबू को मैं जानता हूँ तुमसे भी बेहतर, क्योंकि रहती थी वो मेरे साथ तुम्हारे जाने के बाद भी. अगली दफ़ा उस खुशबू को मैं एक बक्से में बंद करके ले जाऊंगा अपने साथ. अगली दफ़ा उस खुशबू को एक बक्से में बंद करके ले जाऊंगा अपने साथ, और रोज़ मिलूंगा तुम्हें थोड़ा थोड़ा, रोज़ मिलूंगा तुम्हें थोड़ा थोड़ा.
And look at life now on positively. This time that we have got, let's value it. Let's spend it with our loved ones. And really, I feel this gift of God. Vian, come. आज वियान भी दिखाएंगे आपको. हम ओम चांटिंग करेंगे आज. वियान, आप करेंगे मेरे साथ, ठीक है? तो वियान और मैं ओम चांटिंग भी करते हैं. तो वियान आज आपको दिखाएंगे कि ओम चांटिंग कैसे करते हैं, ठीक है? तो हम करेंगे 7 बार for each one of our chakras, ठीक है? Get into Gyan Mudra. Take a deep breath in. so much हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. Stay happy, stay healthy. Atma Namaste from me. And I want to say a big thank you to Raj, my husband, for arranging this entire thing, क्योंकि आज और कोई आके हमारे लिए सब सेटअप नहीं कर पाए. But I hope you guys enjoy life. And lastly, I'd just like to say, what are we supposed to say, Vian? Swasth raho, mast raho.